So, today's a big day. Kind of excited. It's also the coldest day of the year. It's like 28 degrees outside right now. But it's getting cold, and it's pretty much Christmas for me today, because this bad boy, this bad boy finally came in. So I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and hopefully a first test flight, but I cannot wait to get this thing in the air. Packaging is very nice. Also, sorry about the light. I have like light coming through my windows right now. It's like 3 p.m. and it's like the sun's already setting. It's just really, really dreary and sad out here, but you know, we're gonna make it through. Oh man. There she is. Wow. This thing is so tiny. It's minuscule. Look at that. Oh my god. Like, that's my hand. It literally fits in my hand. Oh my god. There's a camera with the gimbal cover on it. Alright, let's pop this thing out. Wow. Even when it's all the way out, it's still not that big at all. That's crazy. Alright, well, I'm gonna plug in these batteries, and hopefully next time you see me, this thing will be in the air. Okay, I apologize, that was probably the worst unboxing video ever. Never done one of those before. Don't have a top-down camera setup. Don't know what to say. But anyways, it's out now actually like the next day, because the batteries, or the battery, because I only have one battery, took 2.5 hours to charge. And I set everything up at like 3 p.m. and it gets dark here at like 4:30. So it was pitch black and there's no way I was flying my first flight in the dark. So it's now the next day, super hyped. Next morning I had class at 1, but it's like 11 a.m. right now, so I thought I would go, put the drone up in the air, show you guys the first flight. I've never flown a drone before, I'm gonna be completely honest, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but hopefully I'll be able to pick it up quickly and be able to get some cool shots to show you guys. So anyways, let us head outside. And by the way, peep this new lighting setup. That's pretty cool. Never had one of those before. Thought I would pick one up because lighting in this room is absolutely terrible compared to what I had last year, because last year I was able to set up right by a window, and this year that is not the case because the window's all the way over there. But regardless, let's head outside. One of the things that I love about this drone already is the fact that I have no idea what that noise is in the backyard. That's some sort of alarm. But how easy it is to set up from the DJI Fly app. So I literally already set everything up last night while it was like halfway charged. But literally connect the remote, connect the drone, it's on, and let's get this thing in the air. Up there. It's literally just hovering there, which is absolutely incredible. So I'm a little scared to take it out of the bounds of the backyard, but we're just gonna go for it at this point. Alright, so it is currently up there. That's what the footage on the screen looks like right now. We're right above Davenport College, which is right over there across the street. So that is sick, but it's starting to sprinkle, so I'm a little bit worried. I don't know how this thing can hold up in the rain, but I'm going to try to get a couple shots, put together a little sequence, and then we'll bring it back down.
Mission accomplished.
So I guess I'll just end with some overall thoughts on the drone itself. Overall, I'm absolutely blown away. This thing is incredible, especially for its size. Like, it is, that's my hand, that's the drone. It is so tiny. Oh my God. It's also DJI's cheapest drone option at the moment. I think I pre-ordered it and only paid like $399, which is obviously a lot of money. But for somebody who's just looking to start out with drones like myself and not looking for something that like has the super fancy quality or whatever, but even this can shoot up to like 2.7K, I think, which is just nuts for a camera this tiny on a drone this tiny. And like we were experiencing pretty strong winds up there too. I kept getting warnings, but this thing handled it like an absolute champ. So overall, I am so impressed so far. I can't wait to keep flying this thing, get a little better at it, and expect the quality of the videos to be skyrocketing. A lot more cinematic drone shots interplaced within there. So I'm super excited about that, and I'm excited to get a lot better at this thing.